In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo or watermark in Shotcut. By the end, you'll know how to place a small, semi-transparent image on top of your video so it looks professional and consistent from start to finish. First, make sure your main video is already on the timeline. We're going to place the logo on its own layer above your footage so it's easy to manage. Look to the top left of the timeline and click the hamburger icon. Choose Track Operations, then select Add Video Track. You'll see a new, empty video track appear above your existing one. This is where the logo will live. Next, bring your logo or watermark image into Shotcut. Click Open File, browse to the image you want to use, and click Open. If you have the option, a PNG with a transparent background usually looks the cleanest, but any image will work. After it loads, you'll see it in the preview. Drag that image from the preview down onto the new video track you just created. Position it at the start of your video. To keep it visible the entire time, grab the right edge of the image clip on the timeline and extend it all the way to the end of your video. Now you've got a full-length overlay. Let's size and position it so it doesn't distract from your content. Click the image clip on the timeline to select it. Open the Filters panel, then click the plus button. Search for and add the Size, Position, and Rotate filter. In the viewer, use the corner handles to scale the logo down to something subtle and clean. Then drag it to a corner or area where it won't cover important visuals. Lower right or lower left is a popular choice. Keep a little margin from the edges so it feels intentional. To make it blend nicely, we'll adjust transparency. With the same image clip selected, click the plus button in Filters again and add the opacity filter. Lower the opacity until the logo is visible, but not overpowering. There's no single correct value. Use your judgment based on your footage and branding. You can preview sections of your video to see how it looks against different backgrounds and make small adjustments as needed. That's it. You've added a logo or watermark to your video in Shotcut using a dedicated video track, the size, position, and rotate filter for placement, and the opacity filter for a polished, subtle look. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.